Our one-person agency website is fully ready with homepage, portfolio projects, and dedicated case study pages. But right now, only I can access it from my computer. So in this video, I will show you how to put it online for free using GitHub and Netlify. Connect to your domain and make future updates automatic. Step 1. Create a GitHub repository. You simply need to come on to github.com and sign up. Here you can continue with your Google account, or you can simply enter your email, password, region and create an account. I already have an account, so I will sign in. After the sign in, you will see this dashboard and you have to simply click new. Create the repository name. I will name it Arinex Digital Website. And it is available. I can simply add the description. Choose visibility will be private because it is my personal agency website, so I don't want the files to be public. And we will create repository. Step 2. Push the website files to GitHub. With a simple prompt in Claude Code, I asked for the files to be uploaded to GitHub repo. While Claude Code gave us Git commands, but that requires terminal authentication and process is slightly different on Windows and Mac. So I will simply ask it to give me clean files which I can upload manually, and that's it. Kindly give me the files that I can upload on my GitHub repo. I don't want to use Git commands. Just check that everything is working perfectly and all the files are ready to be hosted. The cleanup of the files is in process and it has dropped from 20 MB to 13 MB. So huge improvement in that. Verification result shows everything is all clean and we are good to upload the files. So we will simply come into our GitHub repo and click upload existing file. We need to open this folder and just drag these files. Just remember the right approach is to upload the files inside the folder and not the main folder itself. All the files have been uploaded and we will just commit changes. So we are good now, and now step 3 is to connect GitHub with Netlify. We will simply come into Netlify and click sign up. While I already have the account, those who don't have the account need to sign up. Once you sign up, you will see the Netlify dashboard. Simply click add new project and we need here to click import a Git repository. If we upload files directly, website will still be live. In order to edit the website, we will every time have to make change to the source file and re-upload the files, which is an hectic process. So that is why we just uploaded our files to GitHub and now we will connect it. So click GitHub and here our repository will be connected. Here we will select Arinex Digital Website. We will name the project as Arinex Digital. Netlify auto detected the project as Next.js. So it is all perfect and we will deploy Arinex Digital. The deployment process is complete and Netlify has assigned us the subdomain and our website is live. The form is working perfectly. If we go to our work page, we have two projects here. Step 5. Connect the custom domain. Simply click the go to domain management, add a domain. I already have the domain registered at Hostinga, so I will click add a domain you already own. I will put my domain name and verify. The domain has been added and we need to complete the pending DNS verification. We can simply add this A record and our website will be connected. Now, if we want to use the Netlify DNS, we need to make sure that if we have emails, for example, I have emails with Hostinga and these are my email records, that is MX. Once I change name servers, then I need to make sure I move those records to Netlify. So if I simply add the A record, DNS record created successfully. I will click verify DNS configuration and DNS verification was successful. Everything is now perfect and we can open our domain. It shows not secure because currently DNS propagation is happening and SSL certificate will also be assigned. But our domain is live and if you see with just a name, I was able to host my website and my emails and other records remain at my registrar that is Hostinger. But if you are using a fresh domain with no emails or other services configured, you can also switch to Netlify name servers. That moves the complete DNS management to Netlify, so your website records, email records and other DNS settings are all managed from one place. Quickly showing you that method as well, you simply need to click options, set up Netlify DNS and verify. These are the name servers you need to update. If I come into my domain, these are my Hostinger name servers. I will just change them, change name servers and add all 4 name servers. Click done. And now my Netlify DNS is verified. Now all my records will be on Netlify DNS panel. So as I change the name server here, all these records will be null and void. Now my emails will be down. So if I have to make my emails work, I have to copy these records now to here and add these records. That is MX record or any other record you want to add. So you can use either of the method, but if it is a client website and you are unsure, then the simple A record is enough. You don't need to change the DNS records. So why do we use GitHub? The reason is simple. It stores and manages the project files. In components, we have all the pages and page sections. GitHub gives us a clean way to update the website. So if we want to make any change on our hero section, we have to simply edit hero.tsx. Simply, if we want to update the stats, we have to edit the hero stats.tsx. If we open the file, click edit, we can simply update our website is delivered from 500 to 550. If I now open the website in incognito window, the stats got updated from 500 to 550. So using GitHub, you can do any change on the website, and with the help of AI, you can add more projects, add up things, and do everything with ease. Moreover, the website is now secured and SSL has been assigned by Netlify. The website is perfectly live on Netlify and we are good to go. However, if you are someone who does not like to code and wants to manage this website more easily, I will show you how to host this website on WordPress. For the WordPress, we will use ACF, custom post type, and create editable fields for projects, case studies, services, and other content. That means we can update the website from dashboard without opening the code or relying on AI for every small change. Not just this, we have to get clients from this website, we have to do SEO and lot of other things. For that reason, we will continue with WordPress as I think it will be more effective. After that, we will make the website ready for clients by setting up Google Analytics, Search Console, SEO, Google Business Profile, and the system you need to start getting clients.